Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today I have a few Cydia tweaks to share with you guys. They're really awesome, really nice Cydia tweaks, and in my opinion they're must-have on your jailbroken device. Now before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. So now that's out of the way, let's get this video started. And the first thing we're going to do is go to Cydia. And once we go to Cydia and installed, and I'm going to go to recent, and the first Cydia tweak we're going to talk about today is the add to folder. As you guys can see right there, add to folder. And what this does, basically, the package have been downloaded. Look at how many times this package been downloaded. So basically what this does, it give you the option to on your folder when you adding the icon to your folder. So as you guys can see, this is the second picture. So it'd be best if I show you guys. So basically once you download this, go to settings, go to tweaks, and as you guys can see right there, this is the interface, this is the tweak, add to folder, and all you guys have to do, enable this and show item after other ones, and also you can add the custom the text. So add the folder text, and what I did was I added the love and the heart symbol, and that's all you guys have to do. And then let's say I want to add the mail, my mail application to one of the folder. So all I have to do, 3D touch, just a normal, and then click on that. I'm going to click on the love, and once you click on that, as you guys can see, you have the option. You can add to business, entertainment, finance, folder, game, so lifestyle, navigation, photo, travel, utility. So whatever the folder you want to choose, just let's say we're gonna add to entertainment. All I have to do, hit the entertainment, and as of right now, let's see, it's gonna be entertainment. So it might be in here. Okay. So as you guys can see, I forgot which one is the entertainment because I have a battery icon. So there you go. It came into this one right here. This is entertainment. So yeah, so just that easy, that simple to add icons to your folder. Now the next one we are going to talk about today is the we're gonna go to back to Cydia, and the next one is FAR. Now this tweak, as you guys can see, is called FAR, F-A-R, and then description, as you guys can see, enable the tweak in the profession and configure it, then shake your device in the lock screen to set the timer. So basically what this does, if you, let's say, playing a music and you're in a lock screen, all you have to do is shake your device, and you're gonna have window pop up, and you can set the time, how long you want the music to play before it stops. So basically evening time, if you're in your bed and you want to fall asleep, but you want to listen to music before you fall asleep, so you can set 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. So whatever the time you're going to set, and when you fall asleep, after that time, your music going to automatically stop. So this is really awesome option, and I can't show you guys because the minute I lock my device, it's going to stop my recording. So that's why I can show you guys. I can't show you guys, but I mean, once you guys download, you guys will see exactly what it does. So now the next one we're going to talk about is this one right here, Haptic button. So with this, as you guys can see right there, added a haptic feedback to your volume button. Choose the type of haptic feedback, and So basically, once you download this, you want to go to settings, go to tweaks, and this is right here. And as you guys can see, all you have to do, enable this, and the stronger hectic 0% or 100%, and then you can choose right here. You have option. You can do soft, light, medium, heavy, and ringed. So this is really nice, really awesome, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. And now the next one we're going to talk about today is the I think I did talk about this last week. NoUDI. So this, what this does basically remove the hide the UDID from your Cydia page. See pictures and no option to configure from. All you have to do, download this, and as of right now, you guys can see this is the main page of the Cydia. And if you guys see in the bottom, there is no UDI ID of your device. It will remove it. And if I go to my device, as you guys can see in the bottom, there's no UDID. And I just want to throw in this video as well again, so you guys can download and check it out. Now the last one we are going to talk about today is the V4 special widget. I'm not going to say that word, it's F word, but as you guys can see, this is a widget for your lock screen or for your home screen. As you guys can see, you get the widget and it'll tell you about the weather. So as you guys can see, it's F word, sunny yet sun. So this is really nice, really awesome widget, and I'm going to show you guys. As you guys can see, it is on my home screen. You guys can read what it says. And also, if I drag down from the status bar, as you guys can see, I got the same thing on my lock screen as well. So this is awesome widget. I mean, if you guys want it, you guys can have it. And all these tweaks are completely free. I'm gonna put all these in the description below as well. And if you guys have any question or concern, please let me know in the comments below. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any videos in the future. Now that's all for this video. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.